In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Sign with Zoho CRM. This integration will streamline the process of sending, signing, and managing signatures within your CRM, making your workflow more efficient and reducing administrative tasks. Let's dive right in and get started with the integration process. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to your Zoho CRM account. Ensure you're logged in with the necessary administrative privileges, as these permissions are vital for installing and managing integrations. Once you're in your Zoho CRM dashboard, direct your attention to the upper panel. You'll find an option labeled Marketplace. This is the gateway to all available Zoho extensions and integrations. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where you can browse and discover various tools. Now that you're in the Marketplace, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. Here, simply type in Zoho Sign. This will help you quickly locate the specific extension we want to integrate with our CRM. As you type, suggestions may start to appear. Click on Zoho Sign for Zoho CRM from these results to proceed. Once you've clicked on the Zoho Sign option, you'll be directed to a detailed overview page. This section provides insights into what the integration offers and how it can enhance your CRM capabilities. But for now, our focus is on setting it up. Look for an Install button, typically located towards the upper right section of the page. Click on it to move forward with the integration. Upon doing so, you'll be prompted with a set of terms and conditions. This is a standard procedure to ensure compliance and transparency. Here's a quick tip. Always take a moment to skim through the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you're ready, you'll find checkboxes next to these agreements. Check them to acknowledge that you've read and accepted these terms. This is an important step because it not only reflects compliance, but also activates the installation process. With the terms accepted, you're now ready to proceed with the final installation. Hover over the Install button once more and click it. You'll see a progress indicator or a message confirming that the integration process is underway. And there you have it. Zoho Sign will now start integrating into your Zoho CRM. Congratulations! You've successfully initiated the integration of Zoho Sign with Zoho CRM. This step-by-step process is designed to be straightforward so that you can focus more on utilizing the features rather than getting caught up in complex configurations. Feel free to explore the new capabilities this integration brings to streamline your document signing process within Zoho CRM. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in enhancing your CRM experience.